We are looking at R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 11, Trigonometric Equation, Exercises 11.1. Sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Now here we will do sin square theta, we'll put as 1 minus cos square theta. We'll try to make it as a quadratic equation. So here we have put sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Minus cos theta is 1 by 4. Now this minus cos square theta, you can write it as like this 1. So it will be minus cos square theta plus 1, and I am bringing this 1 by 4 here. So it will be minus 1 by 4. So minus cos square theta minus cos theta, and this will be 4 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get c cos square theta minus cos theta minus plus cos theta minus 3 by 4 equal to 0. So this is here. Now multiply both sides by 4. It will be 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 4 gets cancelled minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our equation. So we have 4th is a 12. So 6 to the 12. We can put it like 6 and 2 to get 4. So 4 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. From here take 2 cos theta common from these two. 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta. What do you get? 2 cos theta plus 3. From here take minus 1 common. You get cos theta plus, this is 2 cos theta plus 3. So what do you get? 2 cos theta minus 1 and 2 cos theta plus 3. So either this is 0 or that is 0. So 2 cos theta minus 1 is simply cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 comes here, 2 gets divided. So cos theta is cos pi by 3 because cos 60 degrees is half. So we get a direct solution, theta equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 3. In this case, 2 cos theta plus 3 equal to 0, that is cos theta is minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1.5. But this is not the value of cos theta. We know that cos theta is in between, is equal to 1 or minus 1 and in between. So this is the value which is not achievable. So we discard this value. So this is the answer. 2 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta plus 2 equal to 0. So what we will do? We will write this minus 5 cos theta as minus 4 cos theta minus cos theta in order to factorize it. Now take 2 cos theta common from these two. So you get 2 cos theta minus 2. From here you take minus 1 common, you get cos theta minus 2. So what do you get? 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos theta minus 2. So either this is 0 or this one is 0. So 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos theta will be 1 by 2. Here cos theta equal to 2. Cos theta minus 2 equal to 0, that means cos theta is equal to 2. But this is not achievable because cos theta always remains between 1 and minus 1 and inclusive of minus 1 and 1. So this value we discard. 2 cos theta minus 1, that means cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 2 is simply cos 60 degree. So cos pi by 3. So the solution will be theta equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 3. 2 sin square x plus root 3 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is sin and this is cos. First we have to make this all as cos. So in this sin square theta we are writing 1 minus cos square theta. For this sin square theta we are writing 1 minus cos square theta. So this will become 2, I'll just write it for you. 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus root 3 cos plus 1 equal to 0. So you get a 2 cos square and this is root 3 cos, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. So you get 2 cos square minus root 3 cos x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equation, this one. Now you can write this root 3 as minus 2 root 3 plus root 3. This will give you root 3, and 2 root 3 into root 3 is simply 2 into 3, that is 6. So this 2 into 3 is 6, and 2 root 3 and 3 is also, root 3 is also 6. So you can write it as minus 2 root 3 cos x plus root 3 cos x. From here you can take 2 cos x as common. So 2 cos x common, so you get cos x minus root 3. Here also you can take root 3 as common. When you take root 3 it will be cos x, and this root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So you can write it as root 3 here. Now you make the factors 2 cos x plus root 3, this one, and cos x minus root 3. Here this gives you cos x minus root 3, that means cos x equal to root 3, and we know that cos x is between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is discarded. This value is not the solution. But we have cos x equal to minus root 3 by 2. See, 2 cos x plus root 3 equal to 0. So 2 cos x will be equal to minus root 3 and cos x will be equal to minus root 3 by 2. And this root 3 by 2 can be written as pi by 6, cos pi by 6. But for minus, we can write it as cos pi minus pi by 6, because cos pi minus theta, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. That is why we have written this as cos pi minus pi by 6. So this is simply 5 pi by 6. So cos 5 pi by 6, now you can write the equation x equal to 2n pi plus minus 5 pi by 6. 4 sin square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to make it as cos or sin. So first we will convert this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So you get 4 1 minus cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So this will give you 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. This 4 and 1 become 5. This is minus cos square theta, minus 4 cos square theta is minus 8 cos theta. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. You get 4 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. This is our equation we need to factorize. Now this is 4 5 is 20. Now 10 into 2 is also 20. So you can write in place of 8, 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. So you get 4 cos square theta plus 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. From here you can take 2 cos theta common. You take 2 cos theta common, you get 2 cos theta plus 5. From here you take minus 1 common. Minus 1 common, you get 2 cos theta plus 5. So the factors will become 2 cos theta minus 1 and 2 cos theta plus 5. So here 2 cos theta plus 5, that means 2 cos theta equal to minus 5 and cos theta will be equal to minus 5 by 2. But this is minus 2.5 and this is unachievable. Cos theta, this minus 2.5 will never be cos any value of cos, because cos theta always lies between minus 1 and 1. So this value is discarded. Coming to this one, 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos theta will be 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 we can write it simply as cos 60 degree, that is cos pi by 3. So cos theta is cos pi by 3, that means theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Now tan square plus 1 minus root 3 tan x minus root 3. Now just open this. This will be tan x minus root 3 tan x. So tan x minus root 3 tan x. From here take tan x common. From here you take root 3 common. So tan x we take common, tan x plus 1 will come inside, and from here if you take root 3 common or minus root 3 common, you get tan x plus 1. So you have tan x minus root 3 and tan x plus 1. These are the two factors. So from here you get tan x minus root 3, that means tan x is equal to root 3. Root 3 is simply tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree you can write tan pi by 3. So this is simply solution x equal to n pi plus pi by 3. And you can use n here. For here tan x equal to minus 1. For this 1 you can write tan pi by 4. But we know that minus tan theta is tan theta means minus tan theta is equal to tan minus theta. Right? Minus tan theta is tan minus theta. So just put this minus here. So we write x equal to, here n pi plus pi by 3 we have written, here m pi plus minus of pi by 4. So it will be x equal to m pi minus of pi by 4. 3 cos square theta minus 2 root 3 sin theta cos theta minus 3 sin square theta. Now divide whole equation by root 3. So what do you get here? 3 by root 3. Multiply both numerator denominator by root 3, you get 3 root 3. Root 3 is 3. So you get root 3 here. So when you divide it by root 3, you get a root 3. Similarly here, 3 by root 3 is root 3. And here, 2 root 3 by root 3, simply root 3 will cancel. So you will get 10. So root 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta cos theta minus root 3 sin square theta equal to 0. This is what you get. Now this minus 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin theta cos theta minus 3 cos sin theta cos theta. Because sin theta cos theta minus 3 sin theta cos theta is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now from here, you take cos theta common. You get root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. From here, you take root 3 sin theta. Root 3 sin theta. So when you take root 3 sin theta, you have to put a root 3 here. Because root 3 will be 3. Here, root 3 you have taken common and sin theta will be here. So you have two factors. Cos theta minus root 3 sin theta and root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. So from here, what do you get? See, this root 3 cos theta plus sin theta, I'll just tell you how this has come. Root 3 cos theta plus sin theta equal to 0. So now root 3 cos theta equal to minus sin theta. Now take cos here. So this will be root 3 equal to minus tan theta, or tan theta will be equal to minus root 3. So this is what you have got. Tan theta equal to minus root 3. In place of root 3 you can write this as tan 60 degree, so tan pi by 3, and minus you can take inside because minus tan theta is tan minus theta. So you get theta equal to n pi minus of pi by 3, because this is minus pi by 3. Here cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 0. Again same thing, cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 0. So cos theta will be equal to root 3 sin theta, and this root 3 you take it here, cos here. So 1 by root 3 will be equal to sin by cos. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is what? It is tan 30 degree or tan pi by 6. So you have tan theta as tan pi by 6. So simple solution is theta equal to m pi plus pi by 6. Here you have to take m, here you have to take n. Now cos theta is equal to cos 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now bring it here. Now use the formula. You know that formula of cos 4 theta minus cos theta is simply 2 sin this plus this by 2, this minus this by 2. So you have 2 sin theta, sin 3 theta. Now either sin theta is 0, so you get theta equal to n pi, or sin 3 theta equal to 0, that is 3 theta is m pi. So this theta will be equal to m pi by 3. These are the solution. Cos theta plus cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta. So what we will do, we will try to get cos 2 theta from cos theta and cos 3 theta. So what do you get? This cos 2 theta we are taking it here, and cos theta plus cos 3 theta we are using the formula. So it will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. We have learned it a lot, so I am just writing the final result. So this will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. Now take cos 2 theta cos 2 theta common from here. Cos 2 theta you take common. So you get 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. So either cos 2 theta is 0 or 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0 simply means 2 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is pi by 2. So take 2 in the denominator, you will get 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So this is one solution. Now coming here, 1 plus 2 cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to 2 cos theta is minus 1, and cos theta will be minus 1 by 2. In place of this half, you can write, what is this? You can write minus cos pi by 3, that is cos 60 degree. But minus cos pi by 3 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 3, because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So that is why we have written cos pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 is what? 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. So cos theta is cos 2 pi by 3. So theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So this is another solution. You can always write this n as m if you want. Cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Same thing we are going to do. What we'll do, we'll take this cos 2 theta and we'll combine these two. So cos theta plus cos 3 theta, we know the formula. It will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now take cos 2 theta cos 2 theta common. When you take it common, you will get 2 cos theta minus 1 inside. Now either cos 2 theta is 0 or 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Divide both sides by 2, you get 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Here 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is 2 cos theta is equal to 1. So cos theta will be equal to 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 is simply cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree. So you get theta equal to 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. Now you have sin theta plus sin phi theta equal to sin 3 theta. Now bring this sin theta here as minus, and this sin theta plus sin phi theta can be added, means you use the formula like this. So it will be 2 sin 3 theta cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta equal to 0. Now take sin 3 theta sin 3 theta common from this equation. Sin 3 theta we have taken common, so you get 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. So either this sin 3 theta is 0 or 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. So sin 3 theta equal to 0 simply means 3 theta equal to n pi, that is theta equal to n pi by 3. We are dividing both sides by 3. Here 2 cos 2 theta will be equal to 1, and cos 2 theta will be equal to 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is simply cos 60 degree, which is cos pi by 3. So 2 theta will be equal to 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. Now divide both sides by 2. You get theta equal to 2m by 2 by 2. So you get m pi and pi by 6. Here cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta equal to 1 by 4. So we are writing this 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 into 2. And this taking 2 here. So 2 we have taken here, so 1 by 2 remains. Now this 2 cos theta and cos 3 theta, this was the formula of cos 4 theta plus cos 2 theta. This we already known. So now here this cos 4 theta we are writing as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, because we know that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if you make it at 4 theta, this will become 2 theta. So cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 plus cos theta. Now multiply inside. So you get 2 cos cube theta minus cos square 2 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to half. right? Now, when you take this 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube 4 theta, let me tell you here. So what we have done, we have multiplied it inside. So you get 2 cos cube theta. Here you get minus, here you get plus cos square theta and minus cos 2 theta equal to half. Now multiply both sides by 2. So you get 4 cos square 2 theta, 2 cos square 2 theta minus 2 cos theta, right? And this is equal to, and taking minus 1 here, minus 1 here. So you get this, this is 4 cos cube theta. Now from here, take from these two, take 2 cos square 2 theta common. When you take 2 cos square 2 theta, this 2 cos theta will remain inside, and here you have taken already outside. Here in these two, you take minus 1 common. You get 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. So either this 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0, or 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. So this 2 cos square 2 theta means minus 1 equal to 0 means cos square this 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 is the formula of what? It is simply cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta is equal to 0. So 4 theta will be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Divide both sides by 4. You get 2n plus 1 pi by 8. Here 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. Take 1 here. So it will be minus 1 and divide by 2. So cos theta will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos 2 theta becomes cos. This is cos pi by 3 but minus. You can write it as cos pi minus pi by 3 because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. And cos pi minus pi by 3 is cos 3 pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. So 2 theta will be equal to 2m pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Divide both sides by 2, you get 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. So these are two solutions. So this is one more part of this exercise. We'll be taking one more of this. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.